Hello everyone. I'm Nilanjan Bose, the professor of CIMAGE Group of Institutions. And this time I'm going to present an important session, video session related to close test. I have come to know that many of you are preparing for the competitive examination. A few are preparing for CAT, your MAT, and a few students are preparing for NQT TCS. Yeah, of course, this is the right time that you should keep the preparation on. Because after the completion of your graduation, the first target is that to get a job. That if you are thinking to get a job, then definitely these are the best option for you. In fact, if you're a student from IT background, definitely you'll be eyeing on the examination like NQT, TCS, Ignite, and all these things. And if you're a student from management background, definitely you will going for CAT, yeah, MAT. But my dear students, just tell me one thing: that are you preparing well? Is your preparation going on in the right direction? No. Because I have got a lot of questions या queries from the students end that sir close test हम लोगों से नहीं बन पाता है. Why is it so? If you are preparing, you should prepare well. Then what about close test? क्या problem हो रही है इसमें? So to solve all these queries, and this time I'm going to present an important video session to you. I'm going to share with you. I will tell you the tips that how you should proceed, what should be your approach, and we will solve an exercise together so that you will get a good idea that what should be your approach, how you will eliminate, and how you will get the correct answer. Right? First of all, before starting the session, I'd like to tell you that what is close test. Actually, इसके बारे में सही idea आपका दिमाग में होना चाहिए. उसके बाद तो approach की बात करेंगे हम लोग, right? So close test is basically a kind of test which is also called an assessment. It will test your reading ability. It will test your analyzing ability, and at the same time, it will test your vocabulary as well. So it's an amalgamation of all these things, right? So you need to take it very seriously. You need to have a lot of practice solving the questions regarding close test. But in this particular session, I will try my level best to let you know that in which way you should proceed, what should be ideal approach. And I'm quite sure that at the end of the session, you'll be in a better position to deal with the questions related to close test. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started today's session. Now, these are the important tricks and tips to solve close test. First of all, you should read thoroughly. Now, a short passage will be provided to you, and you need to read the entire passage thoroughly because not a single word or single sentence will be skipped by you. आप एक भी sentence या word को नहीं छोड़ सकते हो because you need to have an overall grip, right? So for that particular purpose, you need to read it thoroughly. The second point is that link the sentences together. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस और सेकंड सेंटेंस के बीच में क्या लिंकिंग वर्ड्स है उसमें आपको फोकस करना होगा. इट विल गिव यू लॉट ऑफ आइडिया. I'm dead sure about it that it will be really helpful for you if you focus on the linking words in between the sentences. ये आपको आइडिया दे देंगे, right? Third one, understand the tone of the passage. Each and every passage that is going to be provided to you, it has certainly a tone. It may be positive one, may be negative one, may be a sarcastic one. All these tone will help you to find the proper word, right? Moving to tips number 4, eliminate with care. Now, this is the best option which you are having. Elimination process आपको adopt करना ही होगा because you are not dead sure about the correct answer. So in that process, you should adopt your approach will be elimination process. The words which are not fitting in that particular slot, those words should be immediately eliminated, right? In that way, you will be narrowing down your options and you will reach out the correct option. Next one, take help of preposition. Yeah, of course. A passage consisting of a lot of words, in between there are a lot of prepositions. So you should take help of the preposition as well. You should concentrate and focus on the preposition. Try to guess the meaning of the passage. This is the last tricks which I'm going to share with you guys. Try to guess the meaning of the passage. Overall contextual meaning, it should be at your fingertips. आप पैसेज को पढ़ना तो शुरू करो, आप उसको थॉरली पढ़िए, उसका वर्ड में आप फोकस करो, बट ओवरऑल एक ग्रेट पैसेज के ऊपर आपको होना चाहिए. And that is what I'm trying to say, to guess the meaning of the entire passage. किस डायरेक्शन में पैसेज जा रहे हैं, right? So these are the things which you should keep in mind while you are going to solve the passage. and in the form of closed test. Okay, so these are the tips. Now let us solve a question so that you will be in a better position to deal with the closed test, right? Let us see that what is the question. Here comes the question. So if I start right from the beginning, an old couple was asking for water on the pavement outside an office. This is the beginning sentence. So obviously from the first line, it is quite explicit that it is narrating a story. They dash to be pitifully poor. When asked where they were dash to, they told that they had come from dash village to get their cataract afflicted eyes operated. It's talking about the problems, cataract afflicted. But they were stranded. वो लोग एकदम एक जगह रुक गए. The strangers who had dashed them there with the promise of treatment was dash. Humanly, few staff members of the office arranged for their dash for a night and next day dash to a reputed hospital. Now, if I go through the entire passage, definitely it comes to my mind that it is narrating a story. And in that particular story, there is a problem regarding cataract, and the treatment was promised. And the few staff members at the end of the story, it is quite explicit that a few staff members of the office, they are arranging something and they will take that particular patient to a reputed hospital. It's quite simple passage, right? So you have an overall grip over the passage that yes, the passage is talking about a particular story, and in the story there are certain kind of incidents which took place. Now let me go through the option first. They dash to be pitifully poor. First option is appeared, then liked, then wanted, then apparently, then wished. If I go through all the options, I'm quite sure यहाँ पे जो बात किया जा रहा है ना, जैसे एन ओल्ड कपल के बारे में बात किया, उसके लिए प्रोनाउन आप क्या ये उसके यहाँ पे दे, राइट. ये लोग देखने में लग रहा है पिटीफुली पोर, देख के ही लगता है. सो एक्चुअली देखना मतलब वी आर ट्राइंग टू फोकस ऑन द वर्ड लाइक अपीयरेंस, एंड इन द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन 1A it is written appeared, so that should be the correct answer. They appeared to be pitifully poor. When they asked where they were dash, now dash 2, they told that they had come from a dash village to get their cataract afflicted eyes operated. जब उन लोगों को पूछा गया कि तुम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हो, तो कहाँ जा रहे हो मतलब they are trying to reach out a destination. So if somebody is trying to reach out a destination, actually they are heading towards something. किसी चीज के तरफ आगे मूव कर रहे हैं. So the correct answer will be of course 2C. Why? Because footing doesn't make any sense over there. Tourist absolutely vague. Journey, it should not be there, and sitting हो ही नहीं सकता है. So your correct answer will be headed, because heading towards certain place. Now from a dash village to get their cataract afflicted eyes operated. तो नजदीक कोई विलेज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो डिस्टेंटली यहाँ हुआ नहीं, नियर बाय या इट कैन बी, नियरिंग वेरी क्लोज कॉल, रेसिडेंशियल होगा नहीं, एंड क्लोज होगा नहीं. सो यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट इन बिटवीन बी एंड सी. नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट नियर बाय इज नॉट अ प्रीपोजिशन and nearing is a gerund form, right? So यहाँ nearing नहीं होगा, it should be nearby village, जो नजदीक, close to a village. They had come from a very close to village to get their cataract afflicted eyes operated. So correct answer will be 3B, 100%. But they were stranded. The stranger who had dashed them, where the promise of treatment was. Now, अब देखिए, the stranger who had brought them, एक अजनबी उन लोगों को लाया, तो लाने का इंग्लिश होता है bring, उसका past tense होगा brought. You are quite sure about it. So 4A will be the correct answer. Without thinking too much, you will select that. Because walked यहाँ meaningless है, took होगा नहीं, asked meaningless, and bring तो होगा नहीं because the incident took place in the past. So it should be the past form of bring, and that should be brought. So correct answer is 4A. Now with the promise of treatment was dash. अब ट्रीटमेंट को जो देखिए एक प्रॉमिस किया गया है. द स्ट्रेंजर हु हैड ब्रॉट देम देयर विद द प्रॉमिस ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट वाज डैश. यहां पे अगर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देखा जाए, रिट्रेसेबल, इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस. मिस्ड यहां होगा नहीं, फॉरगॉटन फिट नहीं कर रहा है, अनट्रैक्टेबल will not be there, absolutely vague, and the last option untraceable. Yeah, the stranger who had brought them there with a promise of treatment was untraceable. उनको मिल नहीं रहा है. वो जो चीज मिल नहीं जाता है उसको बोलते हैं untraceable, and the thing which can be which can be gotten, that is called traceable, right? Humanly, few staff members of the office arrange for their dash. अब कुछ स्टाफ मेंबर होंगे जो उन लोगों के लिए क्या अरेंज किए हैं? उन लोगों के लिए अरेंज किए हैं शेल्टर फॉर अ नाइट एंड नेक्स्ट डे डैश टू अ रेप्यूटेड हॉस्पिटल, और नेक्स्ट डे जाके उन लोगों को एक रेप्यूटेड हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती कराया गया, राइट? एंड एडमिटेड, एंड नेक्स्ट डे एडमिटेड टू अ रेप्यूटेड हॉस्पिटल। लास्ट ऑप्शन में आपका लास्ट ब्लैंक में एडमिटेड होना चाहिए। So actually we are done with all the 7 blanks. Actually, I have incorporated the 6 options out of the 6 blanks. So you should stick to number 6, right? The last option is not given over there, but yeah, it should be the next day admitted to a reputed hospital ho sakta hai, because I haven't given the option. So that's why I cannot say right now. But yeah, if you consider up to 6, the correct answer will be last one is shelter. ओके, सो इन दैट वे यू शुड प्रोसीड इन द क्लोज टेस्ट। आप सेंटेंस को पढ़ो, उसका मीनिंग को समझने की कोशिश करो, और वहां पे कौन वर्ड को आप फिट कराइएगा इसमें आप फोकस करो। विद द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ टाइम, with lot of practice, you should have a good command over the closed test, because the options are very close and you need to be very, very careful while selecting the correct answer. I'm quite sure that at the end of this session, you are in a better position to deal with the questions related to closed test. I have tried my level best to share, in fact, a few tricks and tips so that it will be easier for you to have correct approach, and you will be in a better position to deal with the questions related to closed test. I'm quite sure that all of you must have understood whatever I tried to convey to you. We solved a question, and in that question, we discussed that what should be your correct selection and why is it so. So keep on practicing, guys. And in the coming time, I will be presenting more videos related to your competitive examination, and it will be really beneficial for you. But there is no shortcut to success. You should practice more and more so that you will have a good command over the entire English section, right? That's all from my side today. Thank you so much and take care. Keep on practicing. You will be definitely victorious or come off with flying colors. I'm quite sure about it. Thank you so much.